I will combine boys and girls name to create a pair. For that I can use AND symbol. So I select first cell, add AND symbol and second cell, and it will combine it together. To add there some delimiter, I can add apostrophe, write something in the middle, for example dash, another apostrophe, and one more AND symbol. Now when I press OK, my pair is ready. Same thing I can do using concatenate formula. Here I select first cell, then I can add separator and add a second cell. I can also add here country with some delimiter, let's say brackets. Okay. So those are two options how to concatenate some cells. There is no difference at the end, the result is same. Here is just used formula. Then in Excel 365 there is also a new formula that will let us join the text together. We can add here the delimiter, which will be in this case, let's say comma. We can ignore empty cells and combine these two. We can do the same thing for whole range basically and so on, but I will use it to create groups of 4 names. I will copy it down to create those groups with 4 people, but as my names are repeating now, I will add here if function. So if row will be 2, 4, 6, then I want to see the group. So if is even, a row of this first cell, then I want to see this text, otherwise I want it blank. Now I just copy down and my groups are ready. That's it. Those are a few ways how to simply concatenate various cells.